For the last 95 years, this so-called nationalist organization called the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has been trying to make fools of 3 generations of Indians. Thankfully, they did not succeed. Every generation was intelligent enough not to let them succeed. They knew their real face. This is an organization which does not have the moral courage to register itself. This is an organization which does not have the decency to pay its income tax. This is an organization which has no decency to have or propriety to have a membership register, so that deniability becomes easy. Tomorrow they'll say, oh, we don't know this person, if that person gets caught red-handed. This is an organization which needs to submit to the people of India. Their audited accounts, all the allied organizations of RSS which have indulged into collecting donation in the name of Lord Ram's temple in Ayodhya, since 1991, 92 onwards, they need to make those accounts public. They need to tell us how much of that money collected was passed on, was transferred, legally transferred to the trust created under the aegis of the Honorable Supreme Court by the Prime Minister of India. How much money was transferred to that trust? Because you've been collecting money forever in the name of Lord Ram. All this RSS owes it to the nation. You cannot have all authority and no responsibility. You cannot be running a remote control government from Nagpur. Even where you're not in power, you're trying to threaten officers, you're trying to threaten companies. Enough is enough. RSS cannot behave as though it owns the country, it owns my life, it owns my religion, it owns my culture, it owns my future and my civilization. It does not. It's not in my civilization or my religion to indulge into such cheap practices.